Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to discuss about VC patches reviews which is grabbing a lot of attention in the United States and Canada. In this video you will get to know whether this website is a legit or a scam. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end. I'll share the way to get your money back. So guys, after hearing about the topic, the first thing which strikes in our mind is what is VCI patches? So VCI patches are solutions for migraine pain, as you can see in the website, anxieties and sleepless nights. These are made up of all natural ingredients to regain attention, curb anxiety, relieve migraines, control PMS, and recharge immunity. So, this is the official website of VCI patches. Now, let's check the payment method available on this particular website. For that, we need to add a product to the cart. So, after going to the cart, you can proceed for checkout. After proceeding to checkout, as you can see, the payment methods are available, which is Visa, JCB, American Express, etc. Now, let's check its shipping policy. For that, we need to go to the shipping section. So, in the shipping section, the shipping policy is stated, which is shipping in the US typically takes 3 to 5 business days. Canada takes on average 10 to 14 business days, and free shipping in the US on orders of $40 or more. So this is the shipping policy given. Now before going further, I would request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or a legit website. Now, this particular website is using a valid and a secure HTTPS connection, which is a good sign here. Talking about the domain name registration, this website has been registered on 24th August 2018 and is registered till 2021. So friends, this website has been registered 2 years ago, so it's a positive remark here. Now let's go to the About Us section, friends, to check its info or details about the website. So in the About Us section, as you can see, the whole mission, vision and their offerings are mentioned, as well as the details of the owners of this website are mentioned, and it is a positive remark here. Now let's check the Contact Us section, friends. So in the Contact Us section, you can message your problem with your name, email address, phone number, and in the down of the website is given their physical address, phone number, and email address, which is orders@vcwellness.com. So these are the contact info available. Now talking about the social media presence, this website has got good social media presence. An account has been found in Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, etc. And it has got 4.3 stars out of 5 stars on Facebook, which is a positive sign here. Now talking about the reviews, few reviews has been found on its website. Let's check some of those. So after viewing the product, we will get the reviews on this particular website. So a customer says, I really like the gentle energy boost these patches provide. I don't eat breakfast, so rarely can take morning vitamins. Love that I now have the option that there are no negative side effects. And the customer says, I have only been using this as a few days and can already feel a difference. So these are the reviews present on this particular website. Now few reviews has been found on Facebook. A customer said, I received my patches on Monday, already so in love. These are worth the wait. Another customer said they are so worth the wait. Now friends, let's check the return and refund policy on this particular website. So the return and refund policy which is given on this particular website is we have a 100% 30-day satisfaction guaranteed. Unused products must be returned to this particular physical address is present. All shipping and handling cost must be covered by customer refunds are for the purchase price of product and tax minus the shipping costs if any. These are the return and refund policy present. Now talking about the quality and content of this particular website, it is 0% plagiarized and less number of duplicate images has been used with no spelling errors and grammatical mistakes. So on the basis of the positive customer reviews on the products from Facebook, this website seems to be genuine. Still, I would suggest my viewers to do their own amount of research before investing their money on such website. You can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. We read all your comments over every video, guys, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel today. Be informed, be safe. Thank you.